Okay, give me one moment. Okay, I'm trying to upload this and having difficulty. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I got it. Why this is going on like this? I hope I can upload this now. Shoot. Okay, it goes in. All right, let me go back to here and share it to you. Where's this? Kind of weird. All right, so I trying to upload this. Here is your exercise, okay? And this is on your bookings application right here under Microsoft 365, and we can't do Power Apps, and I think it's because they're having issue with the environmental setup or some subscription, yeah, some sort of issue right there. But anyway, I have already told you how powerful these applications are. Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages. Okay, very good. And Power BI, there's another one. Yeah. So if you have subscribed to a Microsoft 365, make sure you go into it to create your own mobile apps, yeah, and your own website, and also, of course, to automate your files to simplify your work. So anyway, there is MCC have I think they have like a subscription or some kind of issue that is preventing us to run these applications. So what I'm gonna do is you can download this. Yeah, go ahead and download it, and you will get something like this. Okay, let me pull this up to here, and don't worry about the OneNote. So if you look at it, I'm trying to get rid of OneNote. You don't need that anymore. That was some long time ago. Okay, so we don't have to do set up the book and stuff like that. Yeah, so don't worry about this. I just want you to create the bookings. Yeah, so all you have to do is to make up some content, and then of course since you're all creating the bookings, you need like the time and the date. Yeah, so I feel like when I was trying to read this lesson thing, it's kind of deviated, and I haven't worked on this. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you, and you can ignore this task because it isn't really, um, did I turn on my, I think I did. Yes. Okay, one moment. So it isn't really necessary to make the real note, okay, OneNote booking books. All you have to do is just use it straight into here because we have now the booking application, so we don't have to manually create the note. Yeah. So if you go into here, I have a sample that I'll show you how to do it. And when you carefully look at this bookings app, it's really simple. Yeah. You're gonna see like create bookings page. Let me see, somebody I think just put a chat on me. No. Okay, let me see, who is this? Oh, I think she's having an issue joining it. So anyway, so you're gonna have like the create meeting type, create booking page. So we don't have to do like long time ago, where is my what happened to, okay, so we don't have to do this anymore. Okay, we don't have to use a notebook to fill in all the content. We can be able to go, because bookings app is kind of new. Okay, so you can just go create meeting type, or you can also straight go into create booking page. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go into create booking page. For you, you're gonna start from the scratch. Yeah, for me, I already did it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use, yeah, whatever template. So you just go follow this. Yeah, and it's pretty easy. Just go next page, of course set up in the way you want it. My content is, I'm just showing you a sample, so I don't really care what's in it. Yeah, but you can definitely customize your page in the way you want it, and it's completely linked to your my MCC portal, to this Microsoft, okay, Microsoft bookings link that you can be able to share within the organization. Okay, of course, I'm not quite sure like this bookings app is okay for the outside, okay, internet. I have no idea, but we can try it, but definitely work within the institution or organization. Yeah, if the ID cut off the outside application, probably when you share your booking, you can be able to choose it. Anyone can access it. Yeah, if that is available. So something like this, I'm just giving you a very simple here, but of course I expect you to come up with your own design. This one is, there's nothing, and it's just a black and white, okay, design that I have created. For you, if you want to put like your own, yeah, content here to make it better, which definitely, yes, want you to do it instead of giving me back this template, which is like a, black and white version of it. So go ahead and put some pictures and create, okay, your booking page to look pretty impressive. Okay, don't give me this white and black version that I give you as a sample. Yeah, so I do want to see some yeah, content here, like picture or something, or you can put your own picture. Some people want to put their own pictures right here and their credentials, of course. So here you can be able to set up your available time. Right now, I'm just going to go with the default because this is just a sample. Yeah, and then of course you can be able to add your details. Okay, so if you want to book something right now, they can be able to put their name and the email and the address and the phone if they want to, and then any special requests, and then they can be able to book it. So let's just go as simple. I'm just going to book it on the 20th, 8 a.m. And then if you book it, it's going to go straight into your email. Okay, so that's all pretty easy. You can reschedule, you can cancel booking, or you can also do the new booking. Yeah, so this is a pretty very good website for you. See, and right now I did the automation, so everything that I do come into the MCC email right here. Yeah, so what I am going to make you do is go into this bookings assignment, yeah, and you can be able to start creating booking page or the create meeting time. Okay, so here you can be able to put in the title, and then of course you can be able to customize your content, okay, one by one. So here you can choose either public or private. Okay, you can be able to go into the advanced options, which is this. Okay, so if you open it, it's going to show up everything. Yeah, so you have the time, buffer time, you have your minimum lead time, everything, your email, yeah, reminders, follow-up emails, everything you can be able to automate a little bit with this application. Of course, then you can be able to save it. Right now I don't want it to start my original, yeah, meeting type, so I'm not going to go in and do it. And here is a share, yeah, a link that you can be able to copy. You can also share it via your email, and you can also have your email signature settings all right in there. Okay, so if you go into this little three dot menu, you can be able to see edit the banner image right here, yeah, and this is where you can be able to customize your booking page and also your meeting time. And here is your turn off your booking, okay, page. So here, if you want to turn it off, you can be able to do it. So you can be able to prevent the people from booking a meeting with you. Okay. Um, it's a very pretty simple, yeah, application, but then again, very useful within the organization. Yeah, I believe that you get like a limited page. Right now, I have like a, you know, like I'm not quite sure if that's limited or not. But anyway, you can at least come up with a one booking page. Yeah, so go ahead and take about, yes, some time to create that and disregard the original version of this. I'm reading, I'm pretty confused. Like I have no idea what they're doing it here. So anyway, let me open it. Where is my original assignment? So here, yeah. Original assignment is kind of weird because it's just showing you go to portal. This means like go to my MCC portal, yeah. And they're using like the OneNote, of course. So OneNote is pretty good, which is this application. If I want to show you this OneNote, somewhere in here, a long time ago, they use it. You know, I don't even have it here anymore. So anyways, it's a Microsoft deprecated, okay, note application. I think this lesson is from old time, so they still use this, you know, OneNote or whatever. So this is where you are going to ignore this. Okay, we will go straight into the, I have updated here, just use the Microsoft bookings, yeah, to do this booking. So the theme is you're going to create a medical assistant book. Okay, so therefore your booking is like you're imagining yourself like a medical, you know, like a clinic or something that you have to do the booking for the office, and you are creating, okay, that type of booking page on this bookings application. Okay, so the theme is a medical assistant booking, and you will use ignore OneNote and just use the Microsoft Office 365 Microsoft bookings. When I have time, I'm going to get rid of this OneNote portion of this assignment. Okay, we don't need it because we can be able to use the bookings app directly without doing it. Okay, so in your content, you're going to cover like patient, yeah, scheduling, and then procedure guide, insurance building. So this is the sample content that I'm giving you. Of course, you can tweak it a little bit and in the way you want it, because you know the theme is a medical office and you're making a medical assistant booking, yeah, to book into the office the patients are. So you will create something like this type of content on your booking page. Okay, and your job is, we have nothing to do with the medical stuff, but our job is to learn how to be able to customize, yeah, the bookings page using this bookings application. So anyway, and of course, if you want to get the bonus challenge, this is optional. You don't really have to do it, of course. However, for booking application, you need it, yeah. So therefore, you're going to get appointment type. I already show you, and then your office hour, you can be able to customize that. automatic confirmation email, I have already shown you where that is. If you want it, it will go straight into your email like I have set it up. Yeah. This is just a grading point. Ignore that. I usually give, if you do the assignment, you got 100%. I don't really discriminate in grading at all. Yeah, mostly like yes or no. If you don't do it, you get 0. Yes. Okay. So then after that, you're gonna put up into the Team 101T like we usually do, and put it into the bookings folder. Yeah. After you
Can you
finish
show me
your
the app
booking.
again?
Your app is bookings, which is going to be under apps. So if you go to under apps, you're going to see this little bookings, yeah. And if you go in there, you're going to see this pretty simple, yeah, bookings application right there. And not much in there. Command is only 2 right in there, so you shouldn't have any kind of issue on
No,
creating
yeah,
that
I didn't
page.
see the app again. I just need to see what the app looks like because I don't see it here on my end.
No, you should have it. Yeah, if you don't have it, look for it by expanding it, yeah, or put in search, yeah. Because I asked them and they told me that you don't have the PowerPoint, sorry, Power Apps or Power Pages ability, but you can be able to do bookings. If you don't see the booking, just do a regular, yeah, OneNote on, which is a little bit, it will take some time for you to do it, which is, like for using the booking is very automated. So it's easy to create the bookings content. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the assignment.
And you
Could you
said
show,
don't.
show me
You
your
said don't.
could you show me
Uh,
your screen? Yeah, could you show
yeah.
me? I want to see. I'm gonna stop sharing and you can share your screen. So I want to see like why you don't have it. So let me see if you guys have it. So what do you guys? Oh, you do have a OneNote. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, go to all apps. You have connection, engage. Okay, you have OneNote. You do have Power Apps, but oh. Okay, go up a little bit. That's weird.
You
Okay,
think
so
it's
you don't have that. So okay, if you don't have that, that's not good. Okay, so we will use what you have. Could you show me your? Because I don't believe in these people from the IT. So go ahead and show me
Is there any
your
way to get?
power
So
power
this is
page.
it right here, right?
Power page. Oh yeah, you have it. Okay, yeah, that's cool.
I,
So just
so
go
I have
ahead
to
and add.
download it.
Yeah, yeah, they told me that you have it. So just pin it here, yeah, on your site navigation. Yeah, go. Yeah, just search for it if they don't populate. Okay, just search for it like Savannah. Yeah, she just did it, and then pin it. Yeah, to the.
But we don't have access to it.
You don't have access to it. Oh my God, that is so bad. So anyway, so if you don't
You
have
said go to
access to
Power
it,
Apps.
yeah, I want to see part if you have access to it too.
Where is it?
I saw it somewhere in you. So go to all apps and see if you have Power Apps. Go to Power Pages. I definitely know you.
Power Apps is right here.
That is Power Apps. So open it and see if you have access. You do have the icon, but then the access they cut it. Da-da-da-da.
I have access to it.
No. That is not the access. It is
So
like when
Power
you
Apps.
yeah they block the environment. Yeah, you have access, but when you build it, you can't start it. Like even we have a block on it. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
like when you start it, they won't let you run it. There is a block, like you can't upload it to your phone or connect it to the website. Yeah, and there's
Got you.
you do have the application basic right in there, but they start asking you money to be able to open that. Okay, so if we cannot be able to do the bookings, let's do the forms. So go ahead and click on the form and see if you have access to that right there. I hope you have it. We're going to do one application, okay? But anyway, so if you do have your own Microsoft 365 subscription, yes, please
Which one do you click on?
practice that. We're gonna want the form. Do you have access to that? Could you
To
do
which one?
It doesn't matter what. Yeah, we have four different versions, so you can do research or whatever. You do have access to the form. Okay, so
Mhm.
let's do the form. All right, so let me go ahead and share. I'm gonna, yeah. Could you, yes, I'll stop
Yeah.
your screen, yeah, so I can go up. So we're gonna change plan, okay? Because your booking is not working. So, anyways, if your booking is not working, we are just going to do the form, yeah. So the form is working, and I saw in Savannah, okay, form is completely working in your um, 365. So go ahead and go into the form. Yeah. So form is heavily used in many institutions because it's completely free. Yeah. Of course, some faculty and some staff use some other form application. So what I want you to do is go ahead and create a form, and then of course we are going to use, yeah, the same theme like I just showed it to you right here. Yeah. So we're going to go back to our medical office, and then you're the doing the medical assistant booking, and you are going to create, okay, that type of bookings on the Microsoft Forms. Yeah. So you will do the new form, or you can use the go into the template gallery, and you can be able to choose any design that you want. Since we're dealing with the medical assistant thing, try to choose the background, okay, that suits the our theme. Yeah. And then if you don't want to use a gallery, you can start, okay, making a form from this scratch. Yeah. So if you go into right now, I am not going to show you. So we do have a quiz assessment.
Yeah, ours like a little bit different than that.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah. So you just go into any survey type is okay. Yeah. All you have to do is you have to customize your content by changing the questions on type in there. Yeah. So you will go in there, and instead of manage your feedback survey, you can be able to do it like the medical office or something. Okay. So make sure that you keep the theme that we're doing for this lesson, and then of course you can be able to change this, change that. Yeah, and then here you can be able to change the question, okay, anything you wanted. And here, different question. If you don't like these questions, delete it. Yeah, and then you can be able to do the choice, text, rating, your linker, your ranking, your date. Okay, so this is what you're going to be using, yeah, to ask the people who is going to take this form survey, because we're trying to make it like a booking page here. Yeah, so you can be able to use the day. Okay, what day you want to come in? Like you're trying to ask the patient to put in the date. Okay, like we're doing, like our attendance sheet is, most of us are using that, so that you can be able to fill in the date. Okay. And then of course, if you want to make it required, then all you have to do is put this require. Yeah. Here's the subtitle. You can be able to add some more, okay, information if you want to. If you want to paint it mean like putting the media, yeah, into here. Your media little icon is right here, that you can be able to insert the image, insert the video, to be able to put in any content you want to do it. Yeah. So right now we're just creating a very simple, yeah, medical office appointment, okay, form. So go ahead and create that. Yeah. So you will definitely need to look at this thing. Okay. So you would definitely need to ask them about the time. Okay, then you're going to be needing this information. Date, time are important thing for bookings. Okay, since our theme is a medical office, you are going to yes, create the content according to that theme. Okay, so I'm going to go back to here. So make sure you keep this theme when you create your form, to make a booking, okay, form instead of a page, since we don't have a booking so app in you. All right, go ahead and create that and upload it. Okay, either you can give me the link, or you can put it into, yes, you have to put it into the, like Teams 101 T link, and put it into there, yeah, folder, which is this guy right here. I just created it. Oh, where is it? Mm, I don't know what happened to my stuff. Okay, anyway, so here. And let me go back to I want you to upload it into
And you
the,
said don't do number two,
yes.
task two, right? If you go back to the
Don't
other
do
page.
OneNote. Yeah, you don't have to do like a OneNote book. That
Okay.
was a little bit old, older version of it. We don't need it anymore because we now have the bookings app or form, which is way way easier. And then upload it here, yeah. Then make sure you upload it to Brightspace as well, yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and start it.
Did you say specifically which one you wanted us to do? Was it the registration or feedback?
You can start with any form because the form contains the same questions in there. Because you only have to create the your images and stuff like that, your text. Because the form is the same thing. It doesn't matter, even though they give you a registration template, you can delete all the questions that doesn't relate to the medical office and create the content according to this theme.
Okay.
Yep. So Carter is asking, yes, just bookings page, but create it on Forms app, yeah, because our booking apps is not working. And submit your link. Make your link. Anyone can use it. So after you have created, the form, see this, you can be able to see view responses is here, your style, whatever you want to make it, your content, okay, and then collect responses. This is where your form, link that you're gonna submit is right there, for me. So this is your form link, and this is what I want you to upload. Yeah, if you want to upload it, just copy this and paste it in a Word or something and put your name on it. Yeah, so make a word like that, and then suppose we're pretending this is a Finnish medical booking page, and then copy that thing and then put it into your words and do like that. Okay, so I can access to it. What am I doing? So do like that, and I can access to it. You can shorten it to make it look better. Yeah. So that's a shortened form to make it look better. Yeah, it looks so much better than this long form. And then of course you can put your name on it, so I know that's you. Yeah, and then I can go to this form and check your content and your design of the form. And of course, don't give me registration while we're making the medical assistance form. Where am I? So anyway, and then of course, put your name on it, save it, and upload it to Team. Upload it to TEK 101 Teams 101T, and also upload that to Brightspace. Yeah, this semester. Okay, I'm gonna be right here. If you need question, just I'll put it into the chat.
Is this supposed to be like a book, or is it like as if like they're trying to schedule an appointment?
It is a scheduling appointment. You have to ignore the book thing. That was a long time ago. Yeah.
Okay.
Just the appointment page. Yep.
Sorry to bother you. If you don't mind me asking, how do we save it again?
Sorry, my micro. Yes. Anyway, so there's no save. There's only collect response. So that's where is automatically saved in the app as you create. Yeah. So you only have to go to the share directly, which is this guy, collect respond, and it's going to give you, yes, what you have, input right here. So let's say like this is, you have to create the a booking, you know,
And then click on collect responses.
schedule etc, of course, after you have put in, all you have to just click on this, yeah. And this is what I ask you to if you copy this, then you will get the link. And that is, I usually want, like, I want you guys to put this so anyone can respond, is because if we do this and they have to log in, yeah. So we just go straight in like that. So that way it just make it efficient for everybody to save time without logging in. Because logging in takes about like 1 or 2 minutes. So just change it to anyone can respond, and it's automatically saved in there. All you have to just copy that link and put it into a Word. Like I already showed you how to do it to upload it to Teams and Brightspace. Yeah. Yes. Did you get it, Savannah? Savannah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
just trying to add the link to a Word document so I can add it in here.
Yeah, yeah. It's so easy. You just open it and yeah, put it into there. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
And then we have another exercise after this, or are we done
No,
for
no,
today?
no aces that we're done for the. This is it because we don't have a booking, so we just do forms. Yeah. And that's it
Okay.
for today. Okay, you guys have a great summer. Okay, you can leave after you finish it, and make sure you put it into the bright space as well. And please do all of the assignments by May 19. All of this a late assignment, and then I'll take your final exam is super easy because there's nothing. It's just your e-portfolio link. So all you have to do is just copy and paste your e-portfolio link and submit it. That's it. Yeah.
And save because I've done the e-portfolio already, and I started the final exam, so we'll know what our grade is at the end.
Our grading period is going to be next week. They assign us, so we have to grade from 23rd to 25th. 'Cause it's due on the 26th, and I think they're gonna post it to you guys somewhere around here. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Good job. Good job.